Good afternoon, everyone. Let me start by asking you a question. Do any of you know how many animals are used every day in medical device testing? Any idea? Over 60,000. Yes, that's correct. Over 60,000 animals per day globally are pained to death in medical device testing. Despite this, only 4 out of 100 light-based devices make it to hospital. We have an emerging technology that has solution for it. It combines light and material science to simulate animal and human tissue optical properties. And we are only commercial leading experts in this technology. We have patents under filing, stakeholders network, rapid growth momentum to capture this billion-dollar market. Interesting, right? Now listen, we call this unique engineered material as optical phantoms. It can be blocks of solid phantoms that mimic human and animal tissue, or it could be anthropomorphic phantom recreating original anatomy, like this tiny brain of infant in my hand. This can replace and reduce animals killed every day at 1/10 of preclinical cost and time. It can fast track device development by providing reproducible, traceable, and standardized approach. The total estimated market size is around $1.7 billion. We are aiming to capture 50 million in next 5 years by addressing end-to-end value chain from device development in lab, recurring calibration and maintenance services during its lifetime. Following our market fit, we look for investment in year 3 or 4 with a potential acquisition by medtech company in year 6. 30 years deep tech experience team with deep connections across standardization stakeholders, regulatory, European Commission, industry, hospital, academia, puts us far ahead of any potential future competition. Validation, we raised over 700,000 euros through grants, including emergency fund for COVID-19 and a neuroimager to impact healthcare in infants. On sales, we already have customers across 9 countries. All this just within 4 months of our inception as company, validating our rapid growth potential. With our deep tech IP portfolio, 4 trade secret recipes, number of patents under filing, initiation of regulatory pathway, we are all set to capture this emerging market. We are not just saving animals, humanity, accelerating device success at reduced cost, but we are here to change translational research forever. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your presentation. Now, 2 minutes of questions. How well do investors understand phantom technology?
Right now, they do understand because it's emerging now, and there is a kind of buzz that, okay, will it take off or not? But the thing is, customers will respond for it. Means we having customers in 9 countries right now says a lot about its rapid growth potential and the emerging situation that makes investors very interested. And there are a lot of leads, but still we are waiting, for the right moment.
How did you go about getting those 9 different customers across a variety of different countries?
This is a very interesting question. When I did customer survey between 30 or 40 customers across the world, the first thing they said is like, if at all you are going to make a company, and many of them, they said like they would like to buy some of our devices. As soon as I was starting the company, they already, bought these devices and they have them in their lab. And they are very much surprised with how they can accelerate their device development with our phantoms. And that's one of the reasons how we made 700,000 euros, because once they saw we have the product, they were inviting us to the proposals where we got these fundings, yes.
If you're developing a standardized approach, though, how concerned would you be that others will be able to do the same and that you won't have a unique selling point?
That's great. Means we are leading in this race. We are part of the working group for creating the standard. We were at Brussels, European Commission, and we have say in our pocket. Means we have this IP that protects us, and we have the stakeholders who would look at us rather than anyone else. It will take time for anyone to capture this market than us, faster than us.
Okay, thank you very much. We're having a little bit of problem with your line, but we are at the end of the 2 minutes, so thank you very much for that.